Tangents and normals. We have learned what is tangents before. So over here, when we have a, suppose if we have a curve, the line that touches and goes, that's called a tangent. And that point is called the point of contact. Let's take as x naught, y naught. And the one which is perpendicular to the tangent, that's called a normal. So this is a normal, and that's the tangent. Tangents and normals are perpendicular to each other. Now, as we have learned before, slope of the tangent is found by finding the derivative. And since the normal is perpendicular, it's going to be the negative reciprocal of the tangent, the slope of the tangent. That's how you get -1 by dy by dx over there. Now, to find the equation of tangent, we are using the formula that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. We have learned the point slope form in 11th. We are using the same form. So we are taking the x naught, y naught, that is the point of contact as the x1, y1, because that's a point on the tangent. And if you want to find the equation of tangent, it's going to be y minus y naught equal to m is the slope of the tangent, which is dy by dx into x minus x naught, whereas the equation of normal is going to be same form, y minus y naught equal to minus dx by dy, that is the negative reciprocal of the tangent, because the normal is perpendicular to tangent, that into x minus x naught. But you have to be careful about one thing, that is when you find dy by dx, you have to substitute x naught, y naught. That is the point of contact, both of them to get the slope of the tangent respectively as the slope of the normal. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to 3x raised to 4 minus 4x at x is equal to 4. So to find the slope of the tangent, we know that slope is given by dy by dx, that's equal to dy by dx. That is taking the derivative of dy by dx is derivative of y, that is y is 3x raised to 4 minus 4x. That's going to be 4 into 3, that is 4 into 3 raised to x raised to 3 minus 4, that is 12x cubed minus 4. Now you need to find the slope at x is equal to 4. Slope of tangent at x is equal to 4, that is going to be 12 into, you replace x as 4, so 12 into 4 cube minus 4. That's going to be 12 into 4 cube is 64. 64 into 12. Doing that, you get 8, 12, 64. That's 6, 7. So 768 minus 4, that's going to be 764. That's how we find the slope of the tangent. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cubed minus x plus 1 at the point whose x coordinate is 2. So we know that the slope of the tangent is given by dy by dx. So you got to find the derivative of y, which is x cubed minus x plus 1. That's going to be 3x square minus 1. Now you need to find the slope of the tangent at x is equal to 2. You got to substitute the value of 2 over there as x. So 3 into 2 square minus 1. That is going to be 3 into 2 square is 12 minus 1. That's left. Very good. Find the slope of the normal to the curve x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta at theta is equal to pi by 4. The given form is the parametric form. So let's find dx by d theta first. That's going to be d by d theta of a cos cube theta. A is a constant, take outside. So d by d theta of cos cube theta, I can use the power rule. So a into, it's going to be 3 into cos square theta into derivative of cos theta. So a into 3 into cos square theta into derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. Same way, finding dy by d theta. That's derivative of a sine cube theta. A is a constant, take it out. Derivative of sine cube theta, I'll have to use the power rule. So it's going to be 3 into sine square theta into derivative of sine theta. Derivative of sine theta is cos theta. So 3 into a into sine square theta, sine square theta into derivative of sine theta is cos theta. So now we know that slope of normal is the negative reciprocal of the slope of the tangent. It's going to be 9 minus dx by dy. So finding this directly, that's going to be minus dx by d theta over dy by d theta. Minus dx by d theta is going to be minus of 3a cos square theta into minus sine theta. So that's a minus of minus becomes plus sine theta over 3a sine square theta into cos theta. 3a gets cancelled, one of the sine gets cancelled, one of the cos gets cancelled, you end up with cot theta. Now I need to find the slope of normal at pi by 4. Slope of normal at x is equal to pi by 4. That's going to be cot of pi by 4, cot 45, that's equal to 1. Find points at which the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cubed minus 3x squared minus 9x plus 9, 7 is parallel to x-axis. So I need to find, like suppose if I have a curve like this, I need to find the points on the curve such that the tangent is parallel to the x-axis. X-axis slope, we know that slope of the x-axis is 0. So since it's parallel, the tangent slope should be equal to the slope of the x-axis. So tangent slope should be equal to 0. So first finding the slope of tangent, that's going to be dy by dx. Finding the derivative, so derivative of y is going to be 3x squared minus 6x minus 9. Now since it's parallel, slopes are equal, so that's equal to 0 because slope of the x-axis is 0. Now solving for x, dividing by 3, and now by factorizing it, I would get x minus 3 into x plus 1. So x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 1. Now I need to find the points, so I need the y coordinate. So to find the y coordinate at x is equal to 3, y is going to be 3 cubed minus 3 into 3 square. I'm substituting back to the function. 9 into 3 plus 7. That's going to be minus 20. So for the first point is 3 comma minus 20. And at x is equal to minus 1, y is going to be minus 1 the whole cube, minus 3 into minus 1 square, minus 9 into minus 1 plus 7. That's going to be minus 1 minus 3 plus 9 plus 7. So that is 12. So the next point is minus 1 comma 12. Points are 3 minus 20 and minus 1 comma 12. Find a point on the curve y is equal to x minus 2 the whole square at which the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4. So suppose if there's a curve y is equal to x minus 2 the whole square, and if there's a chord joining the 2 points, say 2, 0, 4, 4. Now you're supposed to find a tangent parallel to this chord. So if it's parallel to the chord, obviously the slope of the tangent would be equal to the slope of the chord. So slope of chord, that's going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That is 4 minus 0 over 4 minus 2, taking these 2 points. That's going to be 4 over 2. That is going to be 2. Now, slope of tangent, we know that the derivative gives us the slope of the tangent. That's equal to dy by dx. That is d by dx of y is given as x minus 2 the whole square from this equation over here. So that's going to be the power rule 2 into x minus 2 into derivative of x minus 2. Derivative of x minus 2 is 1. So 2 into x minus 2. Now we know that slope of the tangent, which is 2 into x minus 2, is equal to the slope of the chord since they are parallel. Now cancelling out the 2, I would get x minus 2 as 1. So x is equal to 3. I'm supposed to find a point. So I need the y coordinate also. So substituting x as 3 into the equation. So y is equal to, which is given as x minus 2 the whole square. So that becomes 3 minus 2 the whole square. That is 1 square. That is 1. The point is 3, 1. Find equation of all lines having slope minus 1 that are tangents to the curve y is equal to x minus 1. So the tangent slope is given, which is minus 1. So slope of tangent, that's going to be dy by dx. That is derivative of 1 by x minus 1, which could be written as derivative of x minus 1 raised to minus 1. Now I can use the power rule. So minus 1 into x minus 1 raised to minus 1, so minus 2 into derivative of x minus 1. That's going to be minus 1 by x minus 2, x minus 1 the whole square. Derivative of x minus 1 is going to be 1. Now, it's given that the slope of the tangent is equal to minus 1. So equating to minus 1. So minus 1 by x minus 1 the whole square equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to minus 1 into x minus 1 the whole square. I cross multiply. Cancelling out the minus 1, I would get 1 is equal to x minus 1 the whole square. Taking the square root, x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 1. And then solving for x by using the two different cases, that is x minus 1 could be equal to 1. So x could be equal to 2. Or x minus 1 could be equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 plus 1, that's 0. So I have two values for x. I need to find two equations over there. So at x is equal to 0, the y is going to be 1 by 0 minus 1. Substituting it over here, that's minus 1. So the equation of tangent is going to be, we know that the equation is y minus y1 equal to m into, that is dy by dx, that is slope of the tangent, into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is minus 1, so y plus 1 equal to derivative, that is slope of the tangent is minus 1 because it's equal to minus 1 into x minus 0. Now y plus 1 equal to minus x, that's one equation. Now for the other point, at x is equal to 2, y is going to be 1 by 2 minus 1, that is 1. So the point is 2, 1. So we know that the point is 2, 1. Now you find the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent using the same formula which has already been written. Y minus y1 equal derivative slope into x minus x1. So y minus y1 is 1 into minus 1 into x minus 2. So y minus 1 is equal to minus x plus 2. So I can say that y plus x is equal to 3. That's the other equation. Find the points on the curve x square over 9 plus y square over 16 equal to 1 at which the tangents are parallel to the x-axis. So we know that the slope of the x-axis is 0. So if the tangents are parallel to x-axis, the slope of the tangent should be also 0. The slope of tangent, in order to find that, you have to find the derivative dy by dx. So taking derivative on both sides, that d by dx of x square plus over 9 plus y square over 16 equal to d by dx of 1. That is, I'm considering this as an implicit function. So 1 by 9 is a constant derivative of x square is 2x. plus 1 by 16 is a constant. Derivative of y square is going to be 2y dy by dx. Derivative of 1 is going to be 0. So this gets cancelled. So you get y dy by dx over 8 is equal to minus 2x over 9. So dy by dx is going to be minus 16x over 9y. Now, since it's parallel to x-axis, minus 16x over 9y should be equal to 0 because the slope of x-axis is 0. So now solving for the variable, cross multiplying, I would get minus 16x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. Now to solve for y, the y coordinate, putting x to the equation over here, this I get 0 square over 9, that's 0 over 9 plus y square over 16 equal to 1. Y square is 16, y is plus or minus 4. So the points are 0, 4, 0, 4, and 0, minus 4. That stands for the first one. Now solving for the second one, again, the slope, which we already found, minus 16x over 9y, the slope of tangent, is equal to not defined because slope of y-axis is not defined. So I can write not defined as 1 by 0, 2 by 0, 3 by 0, or minus 1 by 0. Whatever you write, you get the same answer. The denominator has to be 0, 1 by 0. That's when you have not defined. Cross multiplying it, I get y is 0 this time. So when y is 0, putting back to the equation to solve for x coordinate, so x square over 9 plus 0 over 16, that's 0 plus equal to 1. So x square is equal to 9, x is equal to plus or minus 3. So this time the points are 3, 0 and minus 3, 0. The one which is parallel to the y-axis. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the given curves at the indicated points. The curve's equation is given to you. Y is equal to x to the power 4 minus 6x cubed plus 13x squared minus 10x plus 5 at 0, 5. So let's solve for the first question first. So slope of tangent. That is given by dy by dx. That is equal to derivative of x to the power 4 is 4x cubed minus derivative of 6x cubed is 18x squared plus 13x squared derivative is 26x. 10x derivative is going to be 10. Derivative 5 is going to be 0. So that's the slope of the tangent. That is derivative. Now I need to find the slope of tangent at 0, 5. Substituting the value x as 0 over here, I would get 0 minus 0 plus 0 minus 10. That is minus 10. Now equation of tangent is going to be y minus y naught equal to m, that is derivative, into x minus x naught. So y minus, the point is 0, 5. So y minus 5 is equal to m is minus 10 into x minus 0. So solving for this, y minus 5 is equal to minus 10x. And simplifying it, y plus 10x is equal to 5. That is the equation of tangent. Now to find the equation of normal, that's going to be y minus y naught equal to the slope of normal is negative reciprocal of tangent since it's perpendicular to the tangent into x minus x naught. So let me write it down over here. So y minus 5 is equal to negative reciprocal of minus 10 is 1 by 10 is equal to x minus 0. Cross multiplying, I get 10y minus 5 is equal to x, sorry, minus 50 equal to x. So 10y minus x is equal to 50. That's how you solve for the first part. Similarly, doing the second part, again, I find the slope of tangent. That is dy by dx. The slope derivative of x raised to 4 is 4x cubed. 6x cubed is minus 18x squared plus 13x squared is 26x. Derivative of minus 10x is minus 10 plus derivative of 5 is 0. Again, slope of tangent 1, 3, substituting the value of x as 1. So 4 minus 18 plus 26 minus 10. So that's going to be 2. Now finding the equation of tangent, that is y minus y naught equal to m is derivative into x minus x naught. So y minus, the point is 1, 3. So y minus 1, 3 is equal to 2 into x minus 1. So y minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 2. So y minus 2x is equal to 1. Now to find the equation of normal, y minus y naught equal to, slope is going to be negative reciprocal of the tangent since it's perpendicular to the tangent, that into x minus x naught. So y minus 3, the reciprocal of negative reciprocal of 2 is minus 1 over 2, that into x minus 1. Cross multiplying, you get 2y minus 6 is equal to minus x plus 1. So 2y plus x is equal to 7. That's how we find the equation of normal. Find the equation of the tangent line to the curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Let me solve for the a part first. So if you want to find the slope of that line, solve for y, that is 2x plus 9 equal to y. Now this is of the form y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope. So from here, I understood that the slope of the line is 2 because m is 2 over there, the coefficient of x. Now to find the slope of tangent, slope of tangent, that is given by dy by dx. So you got to find the derivative of the curve. So that's going to be derivative of x square minus 2x plus 7. That is 2x minus 2. Now since it's parallel to the line, the slopes will be equal. So 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. Now if I want to find the point, since it's a point on the curve, substitute y as 2 over there. So when x is 2, y is going to be 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 7. That's going to be 7. So the point is 2, 7. So the equation of tangent, that's going to be y minus y naught equal to m, that is derivative, into x minus x naught. So y minus 7 equal to, the slope is already found, that's equal to 2, 2 into x minus 2. Now opening it up, y minus 7 is equal to 2x minus 4. So y minus 2x, that's equal to minus 7 taken to our side equal to 3. That's the equation. Now solving for the second part, perpendicular. So over here, to find the slope of this line, again solve for y. So 5y is equal to 15x plus 13. So y is going to be dividing by 5, 15 by 5x plus 13 by 5. So y is going to be 3x plus 13 by 5. So since it's of the form y is equal to mx plus b, I know that m is 3 over there. That's the slope of the line. Now slope of the tangent, we have already found 2x minus 2. So 2x minus 2, since it's perpendicular to this line, is equal to the negative reciprocal of the slope of the line. Now solving for x from here, so we know that 6x minus 6 is equal to minus 1. So 6x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5 by 6. Now solving for the y coordinate, so when x is equal to 5 by 6, y is going to be 5 by 6 the whole square minus 2 into 5 by 6 plus 7. That's 25 by 36 minus 10 by 6 plus 7. Making the denominator same, you get 25 minus 60 plus 7 times 36 is going to be 252 over 36. So that's going to be 217 over 36. So now equation of tangent is going to be y minus y naught equal to dy by dx into x minus x naught. We have found that this point is 5 by 6 comma 217 over 36. So using that, y minus 217 over 36 equal to, so the tangent is minus 1 by 3, that into x minus 5 by 6. Now just simplify it, and that will give you the equation of tangent. Prove that the curves x is equal to y square and xy equal to k cut at right angles if 8k square equal to 1. So if the curves, they cut at right angles, obviously the tangents would also cut at right angles at the point of contact. So you need to find the point of contact of both these curves. That is, you got to solve the equation. So x is equal to y square and xy is equal to k. Since x is equal to y square, I can replace x as y square to the second equation. So you get y square into y equal to k. Y cube is k. This implies y is k to the power 1 by. So I got the y coordinate. Solve for the x coordinate. So x is equal to y square. So y is k to the power 1 by 3. That square. So k to the power 2 by 3. So we have understood that the point of contact is k to the power 2 by 3 and k to the power 1 by 3. That's the point of intersection. Point of intersection is k to the power 1 by 3, sorry, k to the power 2 by 3, comma, k to the power 1. Now you have to find the slope of tangent at this point. So starting with the first equation, x is equal to y square, x is equal to y square. To differentiate both sides, you get 1 is equal to 2y dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2. Now taking the second equation, that is xy is equal to k, differentiating both sides. On the left side, you have to use the product rule. So x into derivative of y plus y into derivative of x is 1 and derivative of k is 0. So dy by dx will be equal to minus y by x. Now, since they cut at right angles, we know that the products will be, the product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. So 1 by 2y into minus y by x is equal to minus 1. The y gets cancelled. So minus 1 by 2x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 gets cancelled. 1 is equal to 2x. Now x value, we know that x is k to the power 2 by 3, the point of intersection. So 1 is equal to 2 into k to the power 2 by 3. Now to get the rid of the cube root, because there's no cube root over here, you need to get a 8k square equal to 1. So I cube both sides and cube both sides. That becomes 1 is equal to cube of 8 is 2 is 8. K square by 3 is going to be the cube of that is going to be k. I got that condition. Find the equation of the normals to the curve y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6, which are parallel to the line x plus 14y plus 4 equal to 0. So since The normal is parallel to the line. The slopes will be equal. Let's find the slope of the line first. So x plus 14y plus 4 equal to 0. So x plus 4 is equal to minus 14y. Solving for y, so y is equal to minus 1 by 14x minus 4 by 14. So y is equal to minus 1 by 14x minus 2 by 7. So writing this in the form y equal to mx plus b, I got the slope because m represents the slope. M is the coefficient of x. The slope of line is minus 1 by 14. So let's find the slope of the normal, but before we'll have to find the slope of the tangent. The slope of tangent is dy by dx, that is d by dx of y, the curve, that is x cubed plus 2x plus 6, which is 3x square plus 2. Now, since the normal is parallel to the tangent, slope of normal will be the negative reciprocal of the tangent, minus dx by dy, which is negative 1 by 3x square plus 2. Now, over here, the normal slope is equal to the slope of the line, which is minus 1 by 14. So solving from here, cross multiplying, I would get 14 is equal to 3x square plus 2. So 3x square is equal to 12. X square is equal to 4, which implies x is equal to plus or minus 2. So now we got the x coordinate. To find the y coordinates when x is equal to 2, y is going to be 2 cubed plus 2 into 2 plus 6. That's going to be 18. So finding the equation at this point, so the equation of normal, which is y minus y1 into the slope of normal, which is negative dx by dy into x minus x. So y minus 18 is equal to the slope of the normal is minus 1 by 14 into x minus 2. Cross multiplying 14y minus 252 is equal to minus x plus 2. Simplifying it, 14y plus x is equal to 254. That's one equation. Other equation, when x is minus 2, y is going to be minus 2 the whole cube plus 2 into minus 2 plus 6, which is minus 6. Now finding the normal's equation at this point, equation of normal, y minus y1 equal to the slope of the normal minus dx by dy into x minus x1. So y minus of minus 6, y plus 6 is equal to the slope of the normal is minus 1 by 14 into x minus of minus 2 will be x plus 2. Cross multiplying 14y plus 84 is equal to minus x minus 2. Simplifying it, 14y plus x is equal to 86 minus 86. That's the equations of the norm.